What is electricity?
Electricity is the most important source of energy that exists today. Thanks to electricity, you are able to warm and cool your home, cook, telephone your friends, dry your hair, and watch TV. Electricity is a very important part of our lives and one that we often take for granted. Electricity always existed, naturally throughout our universe. But it's only within the last 100 years or so that we've learned how to control this great natural resource and use it to our benefit. The ancient Greeks observed the presence of magnetic forces between pieces of black stones called magnetite. The 17th century was an important time for electrical discoveries. Scientists first began to control electricity with the invention of the Leyden jar, a device which could collect and store electric charges. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin proved that lightning was the result of electrical forces in nature when he flew his kite in a thunderstorm and collected electricity in a Leyden jar. In 1831, English scientist Michael Faraday discovered that the electricity that occurs in nature can be created by rotating magnets within copper coils. Since then, great advances have been made in the control and distribution of electricity. Understanding what electricity is and how it works will increase our appreciation of it, as well as help us to use it more wisely and efficiently. Electricity is caused by the attraction that exists between tiny atomic particles. Everything in our universe is made up of tiny things called atoms. The center of each atom, called the nucleus, is made up of protons. Each proton has a positive charge. Orbiting around the nucleus at very high speeds are particles called electrons, which have a negative charge. In some substances like copper, aluminum, or silver, the orbiting electrons are very loosely held, and atoms that touch one another may actually exchange or trade electrons. This flow and exchange of electrons from one atom to another creates electricity. These substances which allow this flow of electrons are called conductors.